Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Plenty of Fish account from your mobile device. Now, you cannot delete your POF account from the POF app, so you have to do it from a browser. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can do it. So first of all, open your web browser. It may be Google Chrome, Safari or anything else. Type in pof.com and tap on Go. Then sign into your POF account. Now, POF has made it very difficult for users to delete their account. Now that you've logged into your POF account, on the bottom side of the screen you can see many options such as press, community guidelines, safety, terms of use, and many more. Right over there is also an option named Help Center. Tap on it, then it will take you to this page where the first option you will see will be of profile and account. So tap on View Topic. Then it will again take you to this page where if you scroll down a little bit, under the accounts category, you can see an option named removing your Plenty of Fish account. So tap on it, then scroll down again, and right over here on the last line of the second paragraph, you can see a link where it says click here. So tap on it, then it will take you to this tab where you'll have to select the reason why you are deleting your POF account. So quickly fill up all these details, and after you fill up the details, tap delete account and confirm it. There you have it. You have successfully deleted your Plenty of Fish account. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.